Hello students, today we are going to study the structure of the earth. The earth is divided into the three layers, the crust, the mantle and the core, based on the compounds that make up each other. The composition of the earth. Can you see in the diagram the composition of the earth? The first one is the crust, is less than 1% of the earth mass and is 5 to 100 kilometer thick. The second one is the mantle. Mantle is 67 of the earth mass and is 29,000 kilometer thick. The third one is the yellow color, you can see, that is the core, and it is 33% of the earth masses and has a radius of 3,400 kilometer. So these are the composition layers of the earth. Let's know about the crust. The outermost layer of the earth is known as the crust, and the crust is about 5 to 100 kilometer thick, and it is the thinnest layer of the earth. Now next we will see the continental crust. The continental crust is thicker, older, lighter and is composed mainly of granite. It is 35 kilometer thick on average, but this increase under the mountain chains and it is less dense than the oceanic crust. Now the next one is the oceanic crust. Oceanic crust is younger and heavier than the continental crust and is mainly composed of basalt and gabbro. These materials contain silica and magnesium, and together they are known as sigma, and is very young, most of it being under 200 million years old. Can you see in the diagram the pillow basalt, the sheeted dikes, the paleographite, the gabbro and the layan and the mantle. The downwards, that orange color is the mantle. Now the physical structure of the earth. The earth is divided into the 5 physical layers: lithosphere, asthenosphere, mesosphere, the outer core and the inner core. Let's know about the lithosphere. Lithosphere is made up of crust, that is the uppermost rigid part of the earth, makes up the earth rigid, the outer shell. Like the egg has the outer shell, the white color, same it is of that type. When the rock is in the lithosphere, it melt hot molten rock called magma is found. The down one you can see, that is the magma. The asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is weak plastic layer of the upper mantle on which the tectonic plates moves. The next is the mesosphere. This is strong lower part of the mantle between the asthenosphere and the outer core. It has greater density and is more rigid than the asthenosphere. The chemical composition is same since it is a part of the mantle. The next is the core. The outer core is the liquid layer of the earth core that lies beneath the mantle. The inner core is solid. It is dense center of a planet that extends from the bottom to the outer core to the center of the earth. Now let's know about what is tectonic plate. Plate tectonic theory says that the earth's lithosphere is broken into several pieces called tectonic or the lithospheric plates. A tectonic plate is made up of the lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Crust, uppermost part of the mantle, and these plates move in relation to one another. The surface of the earth is divided into the 7 major and minor plates. The largest plates are the Pacific, Eurasian, North American and African plate. So in this lecture, we have seen that what are the different forms of the earth structure.